Teacher, I can understand English, but I can't speak. If somebody asks you, how long have you been working at your job? Stop saying, I've been working at my job for 5 years ago. Stop. In this video, we're going to go over how to use for, since, and ago. My name is Jasmine. I'm a native English speaker. I'm the creator of the CCC Soundgram method, and I will transform your English in 8 sessions or less. Okay. Make sure you like this video and comment transform if you were transformed by this video. Hey, how long have you been learning English for? Listen to the question first. How long have you been learning English for? You can answer it 2 ways. I've been learning English for 5 years. No ago. Or you can say, I've been learning English since 2022. Do you see that? When do we use since? The start. Since the beginning. Since 2022. Since I was in middle school. Since I was in high school. Since I was in college. Since I was a teenager. The beginning. When do we use for? From the beginning to now. How long have you been learning English for? For a total of 5 years. When do we use ago? We have to change the question. When did you start learning English? I started learning English 5 years ago. I started, not I've been learning. I started 5 years ago. That's also telling us when it started, but you can't use since and ago together, and you can't use for and ago together. Okay? One more time. I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to use all 3 of them. Okay? How long have you been learning English for? Or how long have you been working in your industry? When did you start working in your industry? I've been working in my industry for. I started working in my industry blah, blah, blah ago. How many years ago? How many days ago? How many months ago? How many weeks ago? I've been working in my industry since 2000 what? 1990 what? Put it in the chat. Stop making this mistake. Teacher, I can understand English, but I can't speak. Now that I've shown you the correct answer, watch this video 5 to 10 times until you get it right. Write what I say. Write it out. Write your answer. Practice, not memorization, but repetition. Watch this video 5 to 10 times. Share this video, like this video, and put transform in the chat if you are ready to transform your English. My name is Jasmine from CCC Language Learning. CCC stands for cool, calm, and confident, and that is how you will feel in any conversation when you work with me. See you in the next video. Bye.